Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. How are you, students? Beta, take out your English workbook. Open page number 61. First we recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, increase my knowledge. Instructions are say, trace and color. Say, trace and color. Okay, beta, tell me which letter is this? Yes, small r. The sound of r is r. The sound of r is r. R is come down, go up, turn a little. R. The sound of R is ir. R is come down, go up, turn a little. R. The sound of R is ir. R rabbit. R rabbit. Rabbit runs and hops very fast. Rabbit runs and hops very fast. Look in the picture. Here the rabbit. Rabbit spills the red paint bucket on the floor. Red paint. R red. Red paint. We can see the rabbit's red footprints on the floor. Red. R red. Red footprints. R rabbit. R red paint. R red footprints. R rabbit. Okay. Now these all are. The sound of R is ir. You have to trace it. Okay, beta, you have to color in this rabbit and trace all these are. Complete this page. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.